All right. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are in the world. My name is James Laverack. I am the Kubernetes 1.24 release lead, and I will be your host for this meeting. This is the week 7, Friday, 25th February 2022 weekly meeting for Kubernetes 1.24. And before we begin, this meeting, as with all of our meetings, is covered by the CNCF Code of Conduct. So please do refer back to that document for details on how we conduct ourselves in this community, but it generally boils down to be excellent to each other. Yes, as many has already done, can I ask people to please put themselves down on the attendees list if they are here with us today? And we will move on from there into our open discussion items. I don't think we have anything specific here to call out, other than to say, as our standing topic, if you have anything for the release retrospective, which is happening on the 23rd of March, please put it down in that doc so we can take a look at it and discuss it then. I don't think we have anything else for the agenda, so I will roll straight on to updates. Priyanka for enhancements.
Hey everyone, so our status is same, it's green. We are tracking 67 enhancements. Over this week, we have received one more exception request, which is still in discussion. So the PR is 1472. Yeah, that's all the updates from us. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Did anyone have any questions for enhancements? No? All right. Thank you very much, Priyanka. Yes, I'm aware of that exception request. There was a discussion going on in Slack. So I would hope we would get a decision on that today, would be my hope, but we will see how we get on with that. Because if it's not today, then it's going to be Monday, and that's just a lot of time wasted. Moving on, CI Signal. Shuhei.
Sure. Hello, everyone. And we don't have many updates from the previous meeting, but overall client status is yellow. We have 1 failing test and 2 flaky tests in master blocking, and 3 failing tests and 10 flaky tests in master informing. Also, we have several issues. We need some help from others. So please take a look if you have time and let us know if you know anything about those issues. Yeah, thank you. That one is kind of, yeah, it failed when extracting some, I think, Kubernetes binaries from.
Yeah, this one was mentioned in Slack, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was, yeah.
Okay.
So.
Okay, yeah, we'll do a follow-up and we'll try to figure that out. Anyone have any questions for CI Signal? No? Okay, thank you so much, Shuhei.
Thank you.
Book triage. Doto? Am I saying that correctly? Are you here? Oh, hello. Can you not give a audio issue? That's okay. We can come back to bug triage in that case. We'll come back to you at the end, and then we will go from there. If you see you're having an audio issue. All right. Moving on. Docs haven't provided any updates. Anyone from the Docs team here? No. Okay. I will ask Nate for an update later. Release notes. Lucas.
We're green. Alpha 3 was cut 2 days ago, just after the like 3 hours after the weekly meeting in I guess North American time zones or American time zones. And we have a meeting at 5 p.m. GMT on March 2nd to discuss CREL documentation and some SSH problems we've been having.
Okay. Which is March 2nd? That's next Wednesday, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Did you want me along to that, or do you not need me?
It was mostly supposed to be between us to discuss like what issues we've been having and then like bring it forward after the fact.
No, that's fine. Whatever is best for your needs. Okay. Yeah, in which case, let us know how you get on. Anyone have any questions for Lucas? No, okay, thank you so much. Moving on for comms, Mickey has provided an update. Is there anyone from comms here? No, okay. Well, the update is they started to reach out to enhancement owners to solicit content for the blog. Then a reminder for me to message SIG lead asking for deprecation rules and features. This is something I kind of started a Slack thread or contributed to a Slack thread on, but I didn't get much feedback, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and just do this. All right, jumping back a moment. Bug triage. How's your audio issues?
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
So, yeah, this is Dipto from Bugtraj. So we are in the same as we were previously. There's only one blocking issue, that is the documentation, which is to be discussed later in the release cycle. We don't have any critical issues. There was one new PR which we are monitoring, and the rest of the PRs and issues are being monitored by the team.
All right. Thank you so much. Any questions for bug triage? No? Okay, thank you so much. Moving back down, we have release branch management. I have no update here. I don't see Nabu and Jim on the call. I have no particular update from Joseph, Shadow Orientation M, but I think this ended up in the template for some reason. So ask Joseph about that. So I don't think that's anything. Then me. So I don't have any particular update either since Wednesday, honestly. Obviously, we have the latest exception request that's come in, which we have a thread for in Slack. And the release shadows, Grace, Nate, and myself have been chatting about it and going from there. And as I said, I'd hope that we'd come to a consensus with that today so that we can get that kind of out before the weekend, which is my preferred way of doing things if at all possible. I don't like having people work on weekends, so I don't want to do it over a weekend. Other than that, things have been trundling along. We've added this meeting, of course. We have, in a few weeks, we'll start doing the Monday meetings as well. And a week after that, we'll start doing daily burn downs. That's a couple of weeks out yet, but we're getting there because we're about halfway through the release now, which is, terrifying as a concept. We're getting there. That's all from me. Any questions for me? Nope. Okay.
How's the t-shirt coming?
Well, the t-shirt requires me to have a logo, which requires me to have a theme. I've been thinking on a theme. I have some ideas, and we're starting on that. Based on my previous experience speaking to release leads, getting t-shirts can be quite difficult, so I'm not sure how well that's going to go. I'll let you know. I'll try what I can. I'm definitely planning to get everyone something if I can. Yeah, it's hard. All right. Anything else, anyone? Nope. Okay. SIG Scalability have not provided an update either. The project board, I'll probably save that until a later meeting. I don't think there's anything particularly that's come across that I've seen as being particularly hugely. No, this is all stuff that was here before. I don't think there's anything new here, so we won't go through that. In which case, is there anything more that people wish to discuss? Any thoughts, opinions? No. All right then. I am going to end the recording. Which is actually button.